I've just bought my first Wii console. To show you what I got is a unit, the Wii Remote and a Nunchuk, power cable, the sensor and the AV cable, and Call of Duty Black Ops game. This one's a little bit scratched at the back. You can see that. Got all this for £6. It does work, I've just tried it, but there's something stuck inside there. I'm just going to try to remove it. I think it's a little toy or something like that. But £6 still works, so I'm just going to try to take the faceplate off, see if I can see anything that's stuck in there. First I need to remove 2 stickers. Right, I don't have the right screwdriver to open this, so I went online and just bought one. Took a few days to arrive. I'm just going to open these 2 screws. Next I need to remove this screw here, but it's already missing. So on the other side I've got to remove this. Now it should just come apart. Yep. Right in there I can see there's a coin in there, but I think I've got to open the whole case up to get that out. So on the other side I'm just going to remove this battery cover. It's got a Phillips head screwdriver on. So I'm going to remove this screw, it's a driving screw. I'm going to just remove this sticker. The driving screw. So lastly I've just got to remove these 2 feet to remove the last 2 screws. Now it should just come apart now. So now I'm just going to remove the top of the disk drive to remove the coin. I don't know if you can see that there's a coin in there. I'm just going to pull it out. The coin's just there. and I thought it was going to be real money, but it's actually play money. I'm just going to put it back together now. So I've plugged everything back in. Just going to do a test. Something's still stopping it for some reason. So I had to take it apart again. This thing's obstructing it for some reason. I think it's just game loose. I think it's going to be hard for me to put it back on. So I'm just going to take it apart. So I'll just take it out. Not sure if this is needed. So I'm going to put it back together, test it again, see if it works. I can hear it reading. Looks like it's working.